Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we'll be discussing about Shatvahana. They were ruled between 271 BC to 174 AD, that is Anno Domini. We should remember that Shatavahanas were the initial rulers post the dynasty of Sunga. So let us see what exactly has been given. The most important of the native successors of Mauryans in the Deccan and Central India were, that is, Shatavahanas were the important native successors post Mauryans in the Deccan and Central India. The capital of this Shatavahanas was Pratisthana or Paitan. Please remember the names are very important. Paitan or Pratisthana was the capital of whom? That is the capital of Shatavahanas. Veil Barut was the most important port city. So there were ports during that time. So Veil Baruk was the most important port during that time. The Maiden dynasty ruled the Andhra, that is, there was a dynasty, Maiden dynasty ruled during the Andhra, that is Shatavahanas. The founder of Shatavahana dynasty, Srimukha, was the founder of Shatavahana dynasty, and the birthplace of Shatavahanas, that is between the Krishna and Godavari rivers. Between these places, the birth took place of the Shatavahana dynasty. I request you guys to go through check playlist. You will find 800 plus question papers for various competitive examinations. Shatavahana dynasty. The early Shatavahana kings appeared not in Andhra but in Maharashtra, but most of their early inscriptions have been found in Andhra. As you can see, that is Srimukha between 60 BC to 37 BC was the founder of Shatavahana dynasty. So he ruled between that period. He was immediate successor of Ashoka in this region. Paitan was the first capital of Shatavahan. Dharanikota or Dhanyakatakam or Amravati are later capitals of the Shatavahan. So Paitan was the first capital. Later Dharanikota or Dhanyakatakam or Amravati has become the later capitals. The maiden language of Shatavahanas, they used Prakrit language during that initial time. Shatakarni I was the great ruler among them. So during the Shatavahana, the first king to win over Malwa, he was Shatkarni I. He was also known as Dakshina Patapati and Apratihata Chakra. So these are the two names have been given for the Shatkarni I. And Nana Ghat, which is located in Maharashtra, inscription revealed about the king Shatakarni, so which were inscribed by his own wife, Shatakarni's wife Naganika. So please remember, Naganika herself inscribed about her husband Shatakarni I in the Nana Ghat inscription. With the Nana Ghat inscription, we have got the information of this Shatakarni I. And among all these, there were various Shatakarnis. 23rd Shatakarni is known as Gautami Putra Shatakarni, and followed by this Shatakarni II. As you can see, Shatakarni was preached the religion, Vedic religion. You have to remember, he adopted the Vedic religion. The capital of Magadha, that is Pataliputra, occupied by the Shatavahana king, that is Shatakarni II. During the Shatakarni II, ruling the Shatavahana dynasty was at stake and dismantled. The contemporary king of Vikramaditya, Shatakarni III, Susharma, the king of Magadha, was killed by Shatakarni. As you can see, Susharma, the king of Magadha, was killed by Shatavahana king, that is first Pulavami. So you have to remember everything. Susharma, the king of Magadha, was killed by whom? Shatavahana king, that is first Pulavami. Next we have the Aitreya Brahmana is the Brahmana of the Shaka of the Rigveda, an ancient Indian collection of sacred hymns. This work, according to the tradition, is ascribed to Mahidasa Aitreya. This reveals about the Andhra Pradesh. So as you can see, the Aitreya Brahmana is the Brahmanas of the Shaka of the Rigveda, an ancient Indian collection of sacred hymns. This work, according to the tradition, is ascribed to Mahidasa Aitreya. This reveals about the Andhra Pradesh. So remember one thing, Mahidasa Aitreya, which were revealed about Andhra Pradesh. Ashwamedha Yagna, near about 2 Ashwamedha Yagnas were conducted. Rajasuya 1, and these 2 were conducted by Shatakarni 1. So the contemporary king of Kalinga during the time of Shatakarni 1 was the king. Karvela was the king during that time. The book Leelavati was written by Sharvi Varma, which was composed in the language of Prakrit. The book Bruhat Katha was written by Gunadhya. So during that time, this book Bruhat Katha was written by Gunadhya. The name Kavi Vatsala was written by Hala, that is Gatha Saptasati. Even he had written the Gatha Saptasati book in the Prakrit language, that is Hala. The name Kavi Vatsala book also has written by Hala. These are the few things you have to remember. You can call me on 766730 or message me 2100 PDF of GK and GS. So I hope all this information will help you a lot in understanding the dynasty of this. As you can see, the whole thing has been given from the various sources, so you can directly go through whatever has been given. So I hope this will help you a lot in understanding Shatavahana dynasty. So thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.